Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Honorable Ms. Nurul Afiatena, the mentor of second semester student public speaking class. Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you first of all how pleased I am to have an opportunity to speak here and deliver a speech before you. My speech title is How We Can Maintain the Environmental Sustainability. This speech is one of my final assignments given by my lecturer, Ms. Nurul Afiatena. I have put my subject into 3 sections, but before we get into it, let me start by posing some questions. Have you ever heard about natural disaster before, such as landslide, drought, and floods?
Yeah.
Now, let me explain something important about this. You must be thought very hard about this, considering that there are many similar incidents happening around us. Because the planet we live on has its own life that must be taken care of. And when the planet is not in its good state, it is also affect the survival of living things that live there. I mean, it's everything around us, like you, me, the animals, and plants. Therefore, it is also important why we have to know how we can maintain the environmental sustainability as a human who lives in it. The first point I'm going to concern is about littering. As we already know, this is a detrimental activity. Not only does it spoil the view, scattered garbage also had other impacts that can affect the environment. Based on an article entitled The Importance of Awareness to Not Litter by Muhammad Sofyan on Compasiana blog, littering has become a very serious problem in various countries, including Indonesia. As a result, there is environmental pollution, ecosystem damage, and poor health for humans and animals. For example, a plastic waste can pollute the air and the water through the process of decomposition or evaporation of hazardous chemicals contained in it. By reducing the amount of litter, we will get a clean environment, avoid several disasters due to accumulation of waste, and save the water from harmful chemicals. Let me now turn to the next part. For the second part, I have to tell you about implementing the 3R principle. Maybe the word to just reuse the cycle are not so popular among people nowadays, but based on article from Solar School, the 3R words are important as they help to cut down the amount of litter we have to throw away. It's really simple, you know. We can reduce the amount of waste we produce by only buying things we need. Reuse items as much as we can before replacing them, like refilling water from home instead of buying a new one, and recycle items whenever possible, sorting the trash before throw it away. By consistently applying the 3R principle, we can make a significant impact on preserving the environment. Keeping this point in mind, next I will tell you about the last topic. My third point will deal with planting trees. Based on my personal experience, planting trees have so many uses and benefits, and it goes beyond just preserving the environment. I used to live in an environment full of trees, a small village, and big trees with shady leaves. But even though the surrounding looks scary, the environment is still very cool and comfortable. The air we can breathe is very clean and fresh. That's because trees have absorbed carbon around us and produce oxygen as a replacement. And most importantly, trees help prevent flooding, as their roots have absorbed water to prevent it from overflowing onto the surface. Can you imagine if there are no trees in the whole world? That would be even scarier. Finally, I would like to talk a little about my 3 main points. First, I told you about not littering. Second, I told you about implementing the 3R principle. And third, I told you about plant trees. In conclusion, I should just like to say preserving the environment is everyone's responsibility, especially since we grow with it. So in the future, we will be more aware of what we need to be done to keep the environment safe and comfortable, free from garbage, disease, and various kinds of pollution. Of course, cooperation is needed in this matter. Ladies and gentlemen, I fervently hope to have posed some problems and issues which can thrill and stimulate our thinking and discussion in a fruitful way. I thank you for your interest. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.